Echoes hang where laughter should chase. Warmth of your smile I can't replace. In the snow our love did bloom. Now it withers icy gloom. Echoes linger in cold air of a love beyond compare. Candles flame no longer glow. Hollow winds where passion froze. Winter nights seem to last. Without you, seasons pass too fast. Frosty windows hide my sight. Stars like diamonds in the sky. Love's a story in disguise. Reading tears from morning eyes. In the snow our love did bloom. Now it withers icy bloom. Echoes linger in cold air of a love beyond compare. Candles flame no longer glow. Hollow winds where passion flows. Winter nights seem to last. Without you, seasons pass too fast.
Cannot put the snow, too much snow here.
Same as we got. They don't push it back. You know, where we're at, they come with those wing blades, you know,
I am 13 years old.
off the side of the
6 years
truck,
ago,
and they
I was
push all
injured in
that
a
back
car
away from
accident
the
that left me
road.
paralyzed
But
from the
here,
waist down. Once I completed
the city.
rehab,
We have no
my mom
place for
applied
snow.
for a canine companion service dog.
Last January, I
See,
finally
Gideon,
vaccinated
those
my
piles
service
are
dog
over
for
your head.
Australia. After we developed
A very strong
The
bond.
snow here is
Together
too
we go to
much.
horseback riding lessons, school band practice, swim meets, and archery classes.
Oh my god, it's too much snow here in Cheboygan. It's a mountain of snow. See how there's snow here. Oh. The car. Oh. It's covered in the snow. Oh. See. Bye bye. Please here very more lot of snow.
Yeah.
It's only mountain of ice, snow. Oh God.
Definitely slide off the roof.